am losing my shirt, Mr. Lun.
Well, then they start to learn from the kindergarten levels that one, don't spend more than you earn. I think that's the first thing. And try to save a little money so that you can invest.
Okay.
And then invest the company you believe it has a future. Don't try to speculate. Don't try shortcuts because I have been investing for more than 30 years. I make money by investing in the good companies for long term, like Apple. I invested in for something like 8 years, and then it increased more than 10 times for me. Tencent, and then increased it something like 30 times for me. That's how you make money. You don't make money by speculating. Well, some people can. Some geniuses can do it. But for most people, that is not the way to do it. You just do your homework and learn and try to find out which are the best companies in the world and then invest them in long term. That's the way you make money.
Right. I did do my homework. I follow Charlie Munger and bought Alibaba. It didn't go well, no.
Well, you see, even companies have this curve. You start at very low and then surge like that,
right.
And then after they mature, they eventually fall.
Yeah.
It's the same story with IBM and GM. And also ExxonMobil.
I always know exactly when they are going to fall. I know.
Because as soon as you buy it, it's going to fall.
Immediately after I bought it.
Yeah. You just have a black thumb.
Right.